Meet Nick. Nick's at a party. There are plenty of people here to talk to, but how does Nick know who wants to talk to him? Easy. Nick uses people's body language to determine who's most interested in talking to him, and who's not. But reading body language to see who's most interested in Nick's email marketing campaign, and more importantly, interested in buying, has been impossible. Until now. Meet IntelliClick. IntelliClick is an amazing app that reads digital body language and easily bolts on to Nick's current CRM program. IntelliClick allows Nick to create custom email marketing campaigns, send them, and get real-time data on who's interested in what he's offering, all without leaving his CRM. Let's see how it works. Here's Nick creating a campaign for his company's new widget. He can easily design it with a gallery of more than 600 built-in templates, then choose which mailing list to send to, and voila! Off the emails go. Now watch. Almost instantaneously, Nick is starting to actually see real-time data. He can see who's clicking what, get a ranking of the most interested prospects, and even see who wants to talk to Nick about the new widget right now. All Nick has to do is pick up the phone or send an email to get the conversation started. You see, instead of wasting time chasing down and potentially annoying all of his prospects, he only calls on the prospects who are actually interested in what he's selling. Now you're probably thinking what Nick was thinking when he first heard of IntelliClick. It's going to take a team of IT people just to set it up and integrate it with your current CRM software. Well, fear not, because IntelliClick installs and integrates with your CRM easily and seamlessly. With IntelliClick, Nick makes more efficient use of his time. He doesn't bother with the 80, he goes after the 20, so each minute of his day is spent doing what Nick likes to do best: make money. Nick's also able to build better relationships with his clients because he can focus on what they like and avoid what they don't. So be like Nick and get IntelliClick.